Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to withdraw crypto from Exodus to Coinbase. So the first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Exodus wallet, which of course I have done right here, and I'd like to let you know that Exodus is a multi-chain crypto wallet that supplies over 50 different blockchain networks. It allows users to store tokens from all the supported networks in one seamless wallet. So now that we know a bit of what Exodus is about, let's quickly hop into today's tech, which is how to withdraw crypto from Exodus to Coinbase. From this homepage, head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have these icons representing diverse features. So the second icon is the wallet icon. Go ahead and click on the wallet icon. And it's going to take you to the portfolio window or the assets window. So let's say, for example, I want to withdraw crypto from Exodus to Coinbase. It means I have to use the send feature. So let's say the crypto that we want to I'm sorry about that. Let's say the crypto that we want to withdraw is Solana. So I'm just going to click on Solana. So over here you have these icons here, right, representing diverse features. This is the send icon, this is the buy icon, this is the swap icon, and this is the receive icon. So go ahead and click on send. That's the first icon in there. So here you have the sole address and you have this amount. So go to your Coinbase application and open it up. From Coinbase, head over to the wallet window and select your assets, which is in this case Solana. So go ahead and search for Solana in your wallet window on Coinbase. Once you search for Solana, click on that and click on the receive icon you're going to find for Solana. And once you click on the receive icon, you're going to see the QR code and the wallet address for Solana in your Coinbase. Now go ahead and copy the wallet address for Solana in Coinbase. Then come over here to Exodus and paste the sole address that you copied from Coinbase. Paste it here. Once you paste it here, head over to this amount tab or this amount tab and type in the amount of Solana that you want to withdraw from crypto from Exodus to Coinbase. So once you enter the amount, click on continue and follow the on-screen prompts to complete your transaction process. Now the process is self-explanatory, so you have absolutely nothing to worry about. So once you complete the transaction process, you will see that the money will be transferred or will be withdrawn from Exodus to your Coinbase. So check Coinbase and check Sol. Check the Solana category. You see that your Solana balance has been padded up. So that's pretty much the process. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.